Alright, halfway through the first days of October 5th, 2023. Tyler, he's here. 2100 on the nose, coming to you from Ladysmith along the Canadian National's Superior Submain, as I am nearby the north end of Ladysmith Yard. And we have the return of the Loram rail grinder. This one is rail grinder 405. LMIX 405. For this rail grinder to make the return. So I think I've seen this one before. Unless this was the 411 that I saw earlier this year. It's kind of really hard to say. It's been doing northbound runs for this job, so I have a feeling when tomorrow morning comes around, it is more than likely going to head northbound once more and may head up to Pekegama. Also, if you may have seen as well, maybe you have not, that the ATSF railfan actually got the inbound arrival of the Loram rail grinder 405, as it was getting ready to head into Ladysmith Yard to tie up for the day before going back to work tomorrow morning and then head northbound from here. Also from the southern end of Ladysmith Yard, we have the power that is still there that brought in the S772 41 of the 1st, and that was the CNET 44AC 3246 along with BCOL-9 4646. So I caught the 4646 of the BCOL plus the CN3246 on the return since 7:45 this morning. It's now been almost over 13 hours now since the return. And the L56381 of the 5th has not made the show just yet, but not positively sure about that, because 564 may have been here too. But nothing wrong with that. So otherwise, that'll do it for this quick video and a nice look at the Loram rail grinder 405. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, nearby Ladysmith Yard's north side. Thank you guys for watching. You have a great night. I will see you next time, and I hope to see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.